Hey y'all, it's your girl Free and welcome back to another YouTube video. What's poppin', what's good? As you can see, we have a Halloween look, okay? Today I have the spider web glam, okay, period. Get into the lips, get into the glitter, get into the spider. I just wanted to get in some Halloween looks, something easy, simple, and just fun to do if you don't really know what to do for a costume, if you and your friends are going out somewhere doing some cute little safe coronavirus not friendly, because we don't like her, activities. Then here is the look that you can create. I will put right over here who inspired me to do this look. I absolutely love it. I love how it turned out. And it was easier than I thought it was. Took a little bit of time, just a little bit, not too much, just a little bit. Get it down in like an hour. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what else you want to see from me. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's get right into the video. Hey y'all, what's poppin', what's good? So the first thing we're gonna go in with is the ABH Dip Brow Pomade in Granite, and I'm gonna use the ABH 7B angled brush. You use any eyebrow brush, I just like this because it came in this kit, or the e.l.f. eyebrow duo brush like I showed you. I'm gonna set the brows with the Busy Gal Brows in the shade Black Brown by Tarte, and this is like waterproof, smudge proof. Your brows will stay all day. Now we're going to get into the eyes. I'm going to have the NYX Proof It eyeshadow primer. This is like waterproof, smudge proof, everything proof. Love this eyeshadow primer. It's just the truth, okay? We're also going to use the e.l.f. Line and Define eye tape. I actually cut these in half because they're super long. They don't need to be that long. I'm going to have the Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 1, and I'm going to go in with the black shade into the crease with the Morphe M441 crease brush. This is a very pigmented palette, okay? Start off lightly and work your way up, because as you can see with the white shade, I forgot how white it was.
Ah, damn it! What the baby Jesus, what happened?
I had to fix that, but I was trying to make the black a little bit more of a gray tone. Still black, but more of like that gray smoky tone. And that's what I use the white for. Also blending that into the crease. Doing the same on the other eye. And then we're going to go in with the Juvia's Place, the Warrior 3 palette. And I'm going to go in with the silver shade in the bottom row, the middle shade. And I'm going to use a flat shader brush and put that all over the lid. And I'm just going to pat it in. Also, don't mind me if you see my face right now. If you see my face, don't mind that. I'm watching Real Housewives of Potomac. They say some real shady stuff. I went back in with that crease brush to blend the two colors together. And then we're going to use the e.l.f. waterproof gel eyeliner pencil and get it as close to the lash line as possible. And don't be, concerned about making it perfect, because we're smudging it out anyway. I'm using a pointer brush. And if you feel like you need some more eyeliner, do so. Like I said, it does not have to be perfect. We are smudging it out anyway. Give it a little bit of a smoky effect. We're going to go back into the palette with the brown shade. And I'm going to go closer to the brow bone to blend out any harsh lines from the crease color. It's like a brownish red undertone. All right, take the eye tape off and we're gonna get into this face, honey. So we're gonna use a Too Faced Hangover RX primer, and I'm going to set that primer with the Laura Mercier translucent powder in the shade medium deep, and I'm going to set it with the Beauty Bakery blending egg. I set my primer, yes, blame Jackie Aina for that. And then I'm going to go in with the LA Girl HD Pro Concealer, the orange corrector, just to correct any darkness that's on my face. And I'm going to blend that in with the IT Cosmetics Blurring Concealer Brush in number 103. And also the Beauty Blender, or the Beauty Egg, Beauty Sponge, whatever you would like to call it. Then for foundation, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way 24-Hour Matte in the shade Tiramisu. And then I'm going to go in with the concealer, the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chai. Yep, my dumb ass got foundation on my clothes. No surprise there. And I let my concealer dry a little bit just to create more full coverage and for it to be more long lasting. And I'm going to blend that in with the beauty sponge. Wherever you highlighted, that's where you blend in. Duh. We all know this. We all know this.
If I were 5 years older, you'd probably call me daddy. Stop. I mean, you probably don't call me daddy anyway. No, I don't.
Now that I have been married and...
We're going to set everything with the Morphe Bacon Set Powder in the shade Translucent Rich. And we're going to set the entire face with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finish Powder in the shade Dark. And I'm going to use the e.l.f. Total Face Brush to set the face. This is an OG brush. I love this brush. But of course, translucent loose powder can get everywhere, just like how it did on my robe. And then I'm going to bronze the face. I'm going to use the Morphe E4 Angled Contour Brush. And I actually used a Morphe bronzing powder, but they don't even make the shade anymore. I'm just going to not comment on that. But the Beauty Bakery Brownie Bar is the next best option. Next, I'm going to go in with the ABH Blush Trio and Barrier Door with the shade Velvet for blush. And now we're going to get into the spider web. So I'm going to use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Black Bean and that eyebrow brush that we use for our brows. And we're going to start making our lines. I went straight down with this first line, but you kind of want to go diagonally with the lines for that spider web effect. But start with the lines first. Right here, I really thought I messed up and I thought I had to like do this whole thing all over again. Thankfully, I'm smart enough to realize that I can save the look because I really was about to start over. It was about to be bad. Now, don't make the mistake that I did by going straight across in between the lines. You don't want to make it straight lines.
You got a problem. This is some BS.
I deadass thought I had to actually start over. But again, I figured it out. But you want to do a downward curve. So basically a frowning face, just without the eyes. If y'all understand what I'm saying, right?
No.
A downward curve. And I did 2 rows for the spider webs, and I did it in between the lines. And you're gonna do the same on the other side. As you can see, I started off diagonally. And also try to make sure you have enough space to have the same amount of lines, because you're gonna look crazy if you have 5 lines on one side and 4 lines on the other. That wouldn't make any sense. So make sure you space it out.
Perfect.
This is what it should be looking like. So this is the outline, y'all. We're not done. So next we're going to go in with the NYX glitter primer and the NYX face and body glitter in the shade Crystal. I put the glitter primer on the back of my hand and I dipped in the brush and put it on top of the lines. After I put it on top of the line, I put the glitter on top. So glitter primer, then glitter. Don't put it on all the lines. The glitter primer is gonna dry before you even get the glitter on there. So do it one at a time. Glitter primer, glitter, glitter primer, glitter, glitter primer, glitter. It's pretty easy and simple. And I try to be as precise as I can be. And I love this brush because it's a straight line. It's like it's straight angle, so it can get real precise. So this is what it should look like after you finish with the glitter glue and the glitter primer and all that. And then I'm going to go in with black bean and make a little circle. And then the ABH liquid liner, we're going to make the legs for the spider, 3 curved lines on each side of the circle, and we're going to outline the circle too with the liquid liner. Then for the eyes, we're going to go in with the NYX Epic Wear Eye and Body Liquid Liner in the shade White. That is way too long of a name for a product. But those are the eyes for the spider. So this is what it should be looking like. And then we're going to go back in. I don't know why I made that face. Oh my God. But we're going to go back in with the black shade. And with that same pointer brush that we used to smudge the eyeliner, we're going to go on our bottom lash line and connect the inner corner to the outer corner. And smudge that out. For highlight, we are going to go in with Morphe Babe in Paradise highlighter palette in the shade Baby Girl. It's going to go in our inner corner of our eyes, on our bridge of our nose, on our forehead, wherever you want to place the highlighter, that's where you're going to put it. I love this highlighter palette. Bremen Rock did his thing on this, okay? Then I have Lily Lashes in Miami Flare. If y'all ever ask me for an eyelash tutorial, don't, because I still am trying to figure out how to do it myself. I don't know if they still have this lipstick. I'm using the Urban Decay Vice Lipstick in Perversion, but these are why I gave you the other options, because I don't see it in the store anymore, so I don't know if they discontinued it or what. And then I'm using the e.l.f. Lip Lacquer Lip Gloss in the shade Clear. This is what the look is, but I don't like the clothes that we in, so we're gonna change in 1 second. And that is the look, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed. This is what I'm wearing. The sweater is from Cotton On. The pants are from, I think, Just Fab or Shoe Dazzle, one of the two. The shoes are also from Shoe Dazzle or Just Fab. I'll figure it out. I think it's from Just Fab. But this is the fit. An all black fit, honestly, it just makes sense. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Trust me, more Halloween looks will be coming soon. Okay, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.